Namo Buddhaya. Actually, myself Akash Lama. I am a National General Secretary of All India Buddhist Forum. From last 1 year, 8 months, we have been doing a movement for Mahabodhi Mahavihar Mukti Andolan movement, liberation movement. Actually, the movement we have started the movement from 22nd April 2023 after the gap of 25 years. Bhante Suresh Desai ji, who initiated this movement in 1991, but that Mahabodhi Mahavihar Mukti Andolan, because there is an act of BT Act, Bodh Gaya Temple Act 1949, which was enacted in 1949. But according to the act, the committee which Mahabodhi Mahavihar Bodh Gaya, that is our sacred, the holiest place of Buddhist for all Buddhists across India as well as from other countries. The most holiest place, there is a committee called BTMC, Bodh Gaya Temple Management Committee. According to that act, 9 members will be in the committee, out of which 4 members will be Hindu, 4 members should be Buddhist, and 1 member will be chairman, Gaya's district collector, district magistrate will be the chairman of the committee, who is a Hindu itself. So our movement is, we want to repeal the act that is unconstitutional, because Indian Constitution was enacted on 26 November 1950, and Article 13 of Indian Constitution clearly states that whichever act that is before 1950, that 26 November 1950 is null and void, but still that act is on. So we want that 1949 act should be totally repealed. The whole committee members should be Buddhist. That is our main demand, and we have been doing agitation, we have been doing movement. We did a peace rally. More than 50,000 Buddhist people came in Bodh Gaya last year on 26 November on Constitution Day in 2023, and we have submitted many memorandums to the Prime Minister of India, to the President of India, to the Chief Minister of Bihar, but nothing result has come out. But still then we have made our National Minority Commission. Thrice we had a meeting. We have given all the documents, all the photographs. The Hindus are claiming that there is a shivling in front of Lord Buddha, but we have given to the National Minority Commission all the documents, all the photographs of 1880, 1927 photographs, 1967 photographs. Even when Pragyasil Mahathera was secretary, there was no sign of shivling. So how come you are claiming that there is a shivling and Lord Buddha is a incarnation of Vishnu? Show me the proof. Show us the proof. Where is the proof? We can show you the proof that Him Sang's book is there. It is clearly written there, over there. The world knows that Lord Buddha has attained enlightenment in Mahabodhi Mahavihar in Bodh Gaya. Samrat Ashok has built that temple, Bihar, in 3rd BC, but still you are claiming that there is a shivling in front of that. So we have done legal part also. Many organization has filed a writ petition. Bhante Suresh Desai has filed a writ petition. Buddhist Society of India has filed a writ petition, but no hearing has been done till now. So we are compelled to do a hunger strike. So 2 days we had a meeting in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Long meeting we had. Bhante, Lama, and all organizations, all Buddhist organizations across India was present, from Punjab, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Delhi, Bihar. From Bihar there was 5 to 6 Bhantes bhikkhus came. From Maharashtra, from Telangana, from Tamil Nadu, from West Bengal, from eastern part of India. So we had a long session 2 days session regarding Mahabodhi Mahabihar liberation movement, and so we have come to the conclusion that from 12th February we will have a indefinite relay hunger strike in front of Mahabodhi Mahabihar. And so that was the main resolution we have taken. And the next we are having meeting in New Delhi on 31st January. So we appealed to world Buddhists to come to support for this most sacred heritage. And we have been trying that. We have done this. We are tirelessly trying to free Mahabodhi Mahabihar. So we want support, and we are appealing to be present on 12th February in Mahabodhi Mahabihar in Bodh Gaya for hunger strike. Thank you.